Level Up. Intelligent creative solutions for prototyping, 3D printing service, and 3D printer production. Level Up will help you turn your ideas into successful projects and products. Send us your models, and regardless of the scale and complexity of your project, we will make its 3D prototype with a high level of details and high finish level.
Level Up is a small company located in the city of Karlovac near Croatian capital Zagreb. Company is supported by the biggest Croatian ship engine manufacturer ADRIA Diesel. Our focus is on 3D printer production and prototyping.
As an open-source 3D printer manufacturer, we provide our clients a highly professional and effective 3D printing service because we always have enough 3D printers ready to print your models, regardless of whether it's a 3D model of a school, condo building, or hotel complex. Level Up will always meet the contract deadlines. Start your business by using our reliable Level Up 3D printers. Our printers are available as pre-assembled and as a kit version. Free your creativity. Contact us and present us your ideas and needs.